Addition of two vectors. Let us assume there are two vectors p and q. If it was a scalar quantity, let's say like mass of an object is 2 kg and mass of another object is 3 kg, we could do a simple arithmetic, whereas m1 plus m2 will be 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 kg. But this being a vector quantity, we cannot do simple arithmetic like with the scalar quantities. What we will do now here, we'll take this vector q and using free vector concept, we'll plot this vector p here. We see these two vectors are in the same order, being anti-clockwise. Thereby, the addition of these two vectors is the resultant vector represented by r in opposite direction or opposite order, being clockwise. So vector r is equal to q plus p. How do you do subtraction of two vectors? Let us consider we have two vectors, vector p and vector q. Subtraction of two vectors p minus q can be written as p plus minus q. This is negative vector of vector q. So negative of vector can be this. The magnitude is same but the direction is opposite. So we can write minus q. For subtraction of two vectors, what we can do, we can plot p. This p with same magnitude is plotted here, and we can take this negative vector of q and put it here. This is in the same order clockwise, so the closing end being in opposite order is the resultant, whereas the resultant is equal to p minus q vector. So in this way we can find subtraction of two vectors.